You're gonna break my zombie killer. Jesus Christ.
It's only a stabber.
Yes, you got it.
You can't.
Wow.
Jason, they didn't have
No,
to.
you can't, like, chop this.
I made
This?
and I want it respected. I want them in the
Did I
park.
do that?
Jesus Christ, BJ.
Why?
BJ, you're remodeling right now. You're remodeling right now.
I know. Okay, Walter Perry.
Why are you
are
doing
hired,
this?
But I'm sorry, you're fired. This is bull.
BJ, stop. Right now. This is not a demolition project.
But that wasn't me.
Now let's pick it up from the
BJ,
top.
stop.
This is not where I chopped earlier. This is previous.
Okay, I'm still top.
BJ, stop! Stop chopping! BJ! BJ! Jesus fucking
Suckers away!
Jesus H. Christ, man.
Hey, you gonna use that or you gonna take it up all day, huh, pal? Both.
You wanna play with that?
No, we're done playing with that.
Hey, why? Why don't you
Yeah, I'm
just...
saying you play with that. It's
What's the
vibrating.
matter? You guys wanna work
Yeah,
on your pen?
I know.
Yeah, we just wanna do it.
It's fucking, still has your energy on it.
Your wall is shit.
Yeah, stop doing that, please.
You know what that means?
That's a lot of weight, buddy. Yeah.
Our whole
Well,
place is
excuse me once
shit.
these rockets take off. Here we go.
Stop that mentality right now.
It's some mentality, I apologize.
Our house is not shit.
I didn't mean to make a gap.
It's okay.